Hi, I'm Brandon Bombardo with ShopSabre CNC. I'm standing in front of our newly redesigned ShopSabre 23. One of the first things you'll notice is that every ShopSabre 23 now will come with a machine stand featuring heavy-duty lockable casters, as well as the control box has been relocated from the front of the machine lower with the emergency stop switch attached. You'll notice this machine has the optional 4th axis, which has been extended to give you a little bit more processing length. And then we have our optional spindle upgrade on this machine. If you don't purchase that, it will come with a 3.5 horsepower Milwaukee router, as well as this machine features upgraded bearing technology and heavier duty motors to give you improved torque and accuracy. This machine is a great solution for your R&D needs, for educational needs, and of course any application that would require a smaller footprint machine featuring a 30-inch by 40-inch processing size. If you want more information on the ShopSabre 23, please give our sales team a call or visit our website at shopsabre.com.